This project is SCL West. It's Lutheran's Replacement Hospital. We're doing the podium, which is both level 1 and level 2, for a total of 180,000 square feet per floor. So we used the spider inserts for a lot of our large diameter all thread, and then we used mostly the Gripple wire for anything that would be a 3/8 all thread product. At Apollo, we generally use fabrication for all of our rack systems. We've decided to use the pre-slotted strut from Gripple for most of our med gas products, the low profile brackets, and then also the other clamping brackets.
So the benefits of using Gripple clamps versus the traditional is you're using one of 3 clamps. Traditionally, you would have multiple sizes of strut clamps taking up space in your shop. Being able to use one clamp, you get multiple sizes of pipe and not have to change your clamp. So when we start our prefabrication process with racks, we'll get our Gripple product with the universal brackets and the clamps, get that all checked in, and we're able to put the clamps on the universal brackets prior to racking the pipe. So we could have someone building those universal brackets up with the clamps while the pipe's being built. Once both processes are done, they come together, we put it all, rack the pipe, set it on our carts, ready to ship to the job site.
We are using the GCS clamp for strut, which allows us a lot of maneuverability in the pipe and also allows for quick adjustment in the field versus your traditional strut clamps. What we found is the uniform thickness and a lot of the strut clamps don't allow it to hold tightly, where these clamps allow for adjustability and also a snug fit for final product.
Apollo Mechanical has been a long-time Gripple user. They use us on numerous applications, including ductwork and piping. The feedback from Apollo Mechanical on this job has been fantastic. Scott mentioned to us today that the Gripple system has replaced over 30,000 feet of threaded rod on this job. That's nearly 6 miles of threaded rod.
On this project, one thing I think that was crucial was the early involvement of Gripple and the product displays that we had for the clamping, the strut, the low profile brackets, and being able to touch and feel the product helped secure the approval of Cateroma and helped move the project forward with a product that was a better fit for everybody.